How would you like to sell your house for cash with expert representation safely? What if I told you that I can get you to the closing table in as little as 15 days with no showings? Watch this and I will show you how it works. Welcome to Keller Offers. Hi there, I'm Ann Milano, Associate Broker with House America Group and Certified Keller Offers Agent. In this video, I will show you how Keller Offers works, and I will get you to the closing table in as little as 15 days. My goal for you is to make this a stress-free transaction. It is going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you will have no showings. No strangers traipsing through your home, opening every door and drawer. No last-minute calls from realtors saying they are out in front of your home with their clients.
You want to see the house when?
No open houses. And in most cases with Keller Offers, once you have received and accepted your offer, no annoying repair list. Second, with Keller Offers, you pay no commission. You get full representation of a 25-plus year veteran real estate broker backed by the #1 real estate company in the state of Georgia, Keller Williams First Atlanta, to advise you and to negotiate on your behalf. I will give you an estimate of what you can expect both with a cash offer from Keller Offers or selling your home the traditional way. This is a huge advantage that separates Keller Offers from all the rest of the IBuyer programs that you have either heard about or seen. No other program offers upfront representation to sellers. By being represented, this allows you to make a fully informed decision on your largest asset so that you are protected throughout the selling process. We at Keller Williams believe that you are entitled to nothing but the best. Third, you accept your offer, and in as little as 15 days, you and your family will have cash in hand to move on to your next real estate purchase. And you get to choose the closing date. See, as I said, easy as 1, 2, 3. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call me, Ann Milano, at 404-966-3980, or feel free to text me. Or you can go to my website at houseamericarealestate.com and set an appointment and a time for me to come and evaluate your home. My goal is to make this the best represented and the easiest transaction that you have ever done in real estate. I'm Ann Milano and I look forward to working for you. Bye for now.